Yes, I want me when I watch this video.
So the issue of sit at home on Mondays remains a major challenge in the Southeast. What are the governors doing about it?
I'm surprised to hear sit at home from you, because there's nothing like sit at home in Ebony for over a decade. We never for one day observe sit at home in Ebony, and I know you know.
But the thing has extended to Ebony, and that is why people are so much concerned. What happened in Ebony last week? What are you doing to curtail this, sir?
People wanted to know if they can start putting tension in some other businessmen, and we said no, they don't have such temerity and they can't do that, and it didn't happen.
So the 1 week sit at home that ended today, sir, hope it will not repeat itself again in the Southeast.
For us, it's like a official thing, because we didn't know about it and nobody have ever observed any sit at home in Ebony. You can call people in Ebony and find out whether they are aware of that.
General security in the Southeast is often blamed on outsiders.
I'm not a governor of Southeast, I'm a governor of Ebony.
But you are concerned about the security in the Southeast.
I'm concerned about the security of Ebony, so I'm the only one that is elected to man Ebony. So I'm already manning Ebony. So if there's any security challenge in Ebony, I can talk about that.
Thank you very much, sir.
What has become an unpleasant trend, what has also become very shameful trend in our history as Igbo, and this is the sit at home on Mondays. And as we have witnessed lately, even in other days, I had earlier warned that if we did nothing, it was going to get to a point where we're going to be told not just to sit at home on Mondays, but to perpetually sit at home and only go out when we are told to. And as you can see, we're almost there, because it has gone beyond the Mondays sit at home. These unelected persons would stay somewhere in the comfort of their home and order us here in Enugu and Igbo land to sit at home when they want us to sit at home. That is not who we are, and we cannot allow ourselves to be cowed, to be intimidated by these hoodlums. It's important for us to understand the connection between poverty and this so-called sit at home. So I want to call on us to resist this cowardly behavior and not to accept that we can have someone unelected, a known murderer, living in a comfort outside the shores of our state, outside the shores of our country, order us, our women, our children, when to go to work, when to go to school, when to sit at home, when to take a break. We must resist that with everything we have, and to say enough is enough. It must end, and it must end now. We are not unmindful of the need to provide adequate security. And I can tell you that working with all the security agencies in the state, we have put them on the highest level of alert to ensure that measures are put in place for the protection of lives and property in our state.
When I don't see it now, the way all of them are condemning sit at home, condemning it. Before, I say anything I want to say, these people, the energy where these people carry, they fight against biafra agitation. If they carry that energy, fight against Fulani herdsmen, I know say change will come. Governor Peter Mba, if you carry that energy, fight against Fulani that are slaughtering Enugu state people, I know say Eyamufi village will be free. Governor of what do they call this one? Francis, Ebony State. If you carry this energy now, when they carry the fight against biafra agitation, if you carry that energy, fight against Fulani herdsmen in Ebony State, I know say change will come. But when I carry all the energy, when they fight against biafra agitation more than the way when they fight against Fulani herdsmen, I don't know why. Yes, when I go send jet fighter, they go everywhere, bombing places. Soldiers will fool by thunders 1, by thunders 2. Many types. They are looking for Biafran people. But when it comes to Fulani herdsmen, when I know they take serious action to pursue them. Why? Send this message to Governor Francis, the governor of Ebony State, and send this message to Governor of Enugu State, Governor Peter. Now, Governor Francis, I do not see any action that you take concerning what Fulanis did in Ebony State. Slaughter Christians, Igbos, slaughter villagers in your own state, and you do not take any action. This is the reason Igbos are talking about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. If say Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is outside, such thing happen. You will see how Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will be lamenting, complaining, shouting, condemning this evil that happened. But most of you don't care. What you people is after is the money that you people are getting. Even Governor Peter Mba, Governor of Enugu State, since how many years till now, there is a fire on the mountain in Elamufi, Enugu State. Fulanis are destroying, slaughtering Igbos there in that particular village. And you are not taking any action to stop them. Many villagers in Eyamufi village in Enugu, they don't run away. They are no longer in that village, they don't learn. What are they learning? They are learning for Fulanis that are slaughtering them. And all of you governors, all the energy that you people have, you people strengthen it and push it where the IPOP is. Now that place where they put on a strength. Governor Peter Mba, Governor Francis, what you people, these eastern governors, what you people are doing, you people carry on an energy. They pursue IPOP people. On a live Fulani herdsmen, they are tormenting Igbo land. On a carry all the strength we wanna have, they pursue IPOP, condemning sit at home, fighting against biafra agitation. Okay, no problem. That energy we wanna they use to pursue IPOP, condemn sit at home. Make una use that energy, pursue Fulani herdsmen. Governor of Enugu State, Peter Mba, since how many years? Elamufi is on fire. Fulani herdsmen are tormenting Elamufi. Many villagers are running away from that place. And they don't care. Or what all of you is fighting? No more sit at home. Condemning IPOP people. Condemning sit at home. And the Fulani herdsmen are tormenting the people in the village in Elamufi. And they don't care. Governor Francis, imagine what happened to your village, what happened to your state, where the governor. There's other people there. You cannot stand up to condemn Fulani herdsmen, condemn their sponsor. You keep quiet. Governor Peter Mba, you don't come out how many times? Condemn sit at home. Okay, no problem. That is good. Okay, Governor Peter Mba, how many times have you condemned all the people that Fulani herdsmen that are slaughtering in the Enugu village? How many times have you stood up to condemn all the people, innocent people, that Fulani herdsmen and Boko Haram have been slaughtered in Enugu State? You keep quiet. How many times have you stood up to say, please condemn it, condemn what Fulani herdsmen are doing in Enugu State? I never hear you condemn this thing that is going on in Ayamufi. Yes, I never see you. You don't care. People in Ayamufi are running away concerning Fulani herdsmen that are tormenting them because no one to serve them. Even the governor don't care. Nobody to serve them. That is the reason Mazen and the kind of from Eastern Security Network. Yes, that is the reason. And you people are fighting him. Slaughter him, slaughter Nanikano, slaughter him, slaughter all the biafra people, slaughter all the IPOP, Eastern Security, clear them. We don't need it. Okay, no problem. But what have you people done to save the people? Where the governor? Where the governor? All the people in Enugu State, where Fulani herdsmen the tormenting, have you stood up to take action? You Eastern governors, you people have problem. You Eastern governors, you people have problem. And if nobody will tell you that thing, I will tell you, you Eastern governors, you people have problem. I don't know what is happening to you people, Eastern governors. I don't know. That is what Lizzie Mazanan can say that on Naban Fanyodugo. Because Obiabunu get take action, you people will not take action. If come to press when I go take action, when I not go take action, when I go keep quiet, when I go sit down, they look. But I'm here. I'm condemning what the governor of Enugu State is doing. Ayamufi village is on fire, but governor don't care. People are running away from that village as I'm talking to you right now. The Enugu State governor have never yet do anything in that place right now as I'm talking to you. Ayamufi is on fire. Fulani herdsmen have been slaughtering people there.